SMS has set milestones in the technology of tube welding. This is already the third tube welding line that Arvedi has bought from SMS Mer, and we can look back on a long and successful cooperation with SMS Mer. SMS Mer, one of the world's leading suppliers of tube plants, has installed a complete 5.5-inch tube welding line, including finishing line for Arvedi Tubi do Brasil in Salto in the Brazilian state of Sao Paulo. Arvedi decided quite consciously in favor of SMS Mer as provider for the complete line, because that means having just one point of contact for all questions surrounding the line and coordination from a single source. In close cooperation between the two companies, the line was tailor-made to the needs of Arvedi. With the integrated solution, SMS Mer has satisfied all the customers' demands. 30% higher productivity compared with regular systems, thanks to short changeover times with horizontal quick change systems and CSS quick setting. Greater flexibility thanks to individual drives for the main stands. And a broad spectrum of finished products. Arvedi Tubi do Brasil Limitada can produce high-quality, thick-walled tubes with round, square, and rectangular cross-sections. The product spectrum includes tubes for applications in the automotive industry, shells for cold drawing, boiler tubes, and structurals. A new coil is prepared. A double swivel uncoiler is employed to ensure that the line is continuously supplied with strip. The new coil is already opened and positioned while production is still running. Standstill times in the strip preparation section are thus minimized. The strip leading end is threaded in and straightened in the strip leveler. Finally, the crop tail end and new head end are welded together to form an endless strip. The fully automated spiral strip accumulator ensures the continuous operation of the line. The strip is now formed into an open seam tube, passing through 5 breakdown stands with idle stands, and 3 fin pass stands with idle stands. All the rolls are driven individually, eliminating the need for complex gearboxes, and at the same time, increasing the flexibility of the rolling process. The fin pass stands of URD design with closed frame plates have a roughly 50% higher rigidity than stands of column design. That increases the stability and precision of the rolling process, particularly for heavy-walled tubes of high-strength steel grades. In the squeeze stand, the strip edges of the precise open seam tube are pressed together exactly and welded using the induction HF welding process. The inside and outside of the tube are directly deburred. Then comes the water cooling section. In the sizing and shaping section, the round tubes are calibrated to their final size, or formed into square and rectangular hollow sections. Straightening of the round tubes in square and rectangular hollow sections is performed in the straightening Turk's heads. The traveling tube cutoff unit. The interchangeable cutting device allows the cutoff unit to be changed from friction cut to cold cut. The saw blade diameter of 700 millimeters ensures a long service life of the saw blades. Standstill times for saw blade changing are thus significantly reduced. Next, we come to the finishing line, supplied completely by SMS Mer. It includes all the longitudinal and cross-transfer transport facilities, which ensure automated logistics between the individual processing stations. A bandsaw is used to take samples and to cut out cross welds. Next come the facing and chamfering machines. Exact facing and chamfering, each with 2 chamfering heads, prepares the tube ends for further processing. The tube chamfering machines are equipped with a fully automatic control system and operate on the fixed pipe rotating tool principle. The chamfering machines are designed for a capacity of up to 1,500 tube ends per hour. The finished tubes then pass through the automated 4-head flushing station. The flushing heads are positioned in advance to the selected tube length. The operator can choose between blowing out with air or flushing out with emulsion. The flushed chips are cut into small pieces by a bead chopper. In order to reduce logistics costs, the tubes are optimally prepared for transport in the bundling station. The fully automated mechanical bundling station forms round tubes into hexagonal bundles and square and rectangular hollow sections into corresponding square or rectangular bundles. Bundles weighing up to 3.5 metric tons can be formed by the equipment. In the meantime, a size change has been carried out on the line. Thanks to the inline and offline quick changing systems, far less time is required for roll changing than with regular stands. The CSS quick setting system automatically ensures that the rolls are exactly positioned after changing. Thanks to the short changeover times, Arvedi is able to produce even small lot sizes with different dimensions cost-effectively, and hence to react very quickly to changing market demands. Arvedi Metalfer do Brasil Limitada has received a tailor-made integrated tube production line from a single source, SMS Mer. Great flexibility, high productivity, and energy efficiency are the key characteristics of this customized plant.